Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I'm Shiny. So as you all know that I share videos related to career and education every week. And today the job vacancies which I'm going to tell you all are in Amazon, and these are work from home job positions. So if you really want to earn good handsome salary package with a good career growth, then please do keep watching my today's video. If you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any of my videos, you guys get the notification at first and also on your laptops. So, before talking about all these job vacancies, before discussing about all these job openings, I would like to inform you all that whenever I will upload any of my videos for the southern states of India, I will upload these videos in English. And the reason is that most of you who reside in the southern states of India, especially in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, they always comment me that Shiny, whenever you are bringing jobs for us, please do make your videos, please do record them in English, because somewhere we are not able to understand Hindi. And because you all are my family members, so I think this is what I can do from my side, that I can make my videos in English, especially when I'm uploading my videos for you all and breaking jobs in the southern states of India, right? So the job vacancies are work from home job positions, and these are from Amazon only. There are basically, if I talk about the number of vacancies, then for the Amazon selling partner support associate work from home job positions, there are total 50 number of vacancies. And then for Amazon associate retail process, these vacancies are 20 in number, right? And the location is same, that is Chennai. So the first job which I will cover is for Amazon selling partner support associate work from homes, and then I will cover Amazon associate retail process job positions, right? So the Amazon selling partner support associate work from home job positions are total 50 in number. And if I talk about the eligibility criteria, then you should be at least a graduate if you're a graduate. And even if you're having an experience of around 5 to 10 years, then you can apply for these job positions. And obviously when you are into customer service and you're gonna deal with the partners, not the customers here, but with the partners who are into their business relation with Amazon, who are selling their products on the websites of Amazon, who, like in official term, we can name these as the selling partners on Amazon. You will communicate with them in English. So obviously you should have excellent writing and verbal communication in English, right? If I talk about the shifts, then this is basically a job of 24/7 shifts, including the night shift, and the shifts are decided based on the business requirement. If I talk about your weekly offs, then you will get rotational 2 consecutive day offs. It is a 5-day working week with 2 consecutive day offs. During the first 4 months, there will be training, and no unplanned leaves are allowed. So you cannot take any unplanned leaves, right? You should have the ability to use desktop, laptop, and you should be familiar with internet browsers, Windows OS, Microsoft Outlook, MS Office, and so on. You should have good internet connection speed, and you should have access to mobile phone at all time from a reliable provider, right? And you should be also able to interact with the sellers over calls, email, chat, depending on the business needs. So you really need to keep all these points in your mind. And then if you are comfortable with all these conditions, then you can apply for this job position. And the candidates who are based in Chennai can only apply for these jobs. Now, if I talk about the salary package, then they have mentioned over here 2.75 to 3.75 per annum, right? So these are total 15 numbers. And now I will tell you about the Amazon associate retail process job positions, which are total 20 in number. Now for this also, they are asking for graduation. The eligibility criteria, the basic qualification required is graduation. And even if you're having an experience of 2 years or you are a fresher, then you can apply for this job position. You should have excellent writing and oral communication, and you should have excellent analytical ability, and they are only recruiting right now immediate joiners. So if you are immediately available to join these jobs, then obviously you can apply, right? Even if you are willing to relocate in Chennai, you can apply for this job position into retail, and candidates who have appeared within 6 months are not eligible to reappear. Then you should have all these documents ready: your educational documents related to your degree, your provisional certificate, your consolidated mark sheets, and if you are an experienced professional, then you should have your relieving certificate, service letter from all your previous companies, and PAN card. Okay, so these all informations which I'm giving to you right now are for associate retail process job position in Chennai, and the previous one which I gave you was for selling partner support associate. Now, how you guys have to apply for these job positions: below my video you will find 2 recruitment links mentioned for these 2 job positions. For the Amazon selling partner support associate, and the second one is for the retail process associate, right? You have to apply from those recruitment links only. While applying, if you are facing any difficulty, or if you guys have any questions, any comments to make, then simply write down below my video in the comment section, and I will revert back to you all within the next period of 24 hours. Now I'm going to wrap up my today's video. I really do hope somewhere that my today's video has been useful for you all, and I will try to record most of my videos in English whenever I'm updating any jobs for the southern states of India. Okay, so it's COVID-19 and we have to fight it together. We have to stay at our homes, and I really do hope that you guys are taking care of yourself also, and also of your family. Bye, take care, and stay safe.